This week's gonna be a whole different video because I bought alcohol markers. I've never worked with them before, so I'm not sure I'm qualified to review them and make a video about it, but that's what we're gonna do.
I bought 3 marker sets and a sketchbook. I will be showing the middle size set. All sets came in this cute bag with this handy plastic sheet against bleeding through and with these little swatch cards. I bought the brush and chisel tip combination pens, but they are bigger than I expected, so I kinda regret not buying brush and fine tips. I immediately noticed I had to work pretty light and fast with these kind of markers. The colors are very rich and intense, and I particularly like the dimmed down colors of this mid-tone set. I bought over 200 markers. There are a lot of colors that can create beautiful gradients, but even within the sets themselves there's both a lot of variety but also colors that really suit each other very well. Sometimes the colors of the lids just don't match the color of the ink, or the colors have names that I don't think would match. And there's no color arrangement within the sets, within the bags. For the smaller ones that really didn't matter, but with the biggest one it made swatching a very long and boring process because I had to search for minutes to get the pen with the name and number matching the swatch card, and swatching took 10 seconds.
And this blender was also included in every set. But it's time to put them to the test, so I'm gonna use the easiest way to do that and draw a portrait. I had some difficulties finding the right colors here and there, especially with skin. I also had some difficulties with blending and layering the colors. It's like I didn't watch a tutorial or something beforehand, I just dived right in. But after a while I kind of got the hang of it. It was really hard to start with the lightest color and at the darkest, which I'm used to because I work with acrylic paint. But the trick is to select the lightest color and you're gradually darker getting colors beforehand, and before you start with the section. I also found it easier to work color for color within a section, say the hair, instead of completing smaller sections and then taking a darker color each time. Going over it with the lighter color again also really helped a lot with the blending. The result is still a little bit stripy, probably because of my lack of skill and technique. Maybe because I didn't buy the most expensive markers on the market. But overall I really like the result, and they are lower threshold to grab than paint, and that is why I bought them eventually. So that passed the test, and I definitely gonna use them more and make more drawings with them.